Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can convert a Word document to a PDF file. So for this, you need to click on the file on the left top menu bar and click on the export and click on the create PDF XPS document. Click on create PDF document and now choose your save location. For example, I'll select the desktop and click publish. So this will be open up in Adobe Acrobat Reader once you publish it. So in the second method, you need to open your Word document in Microsoft Word and click on file in the top left corner and select save a copy and choose the folder where you want to save it. I'll select the desktop, give it a name, click on this small arrow on the right side and select the PDF and click save. Then your Word document will be open up in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope now you understand how you can convert a Word document to PDF file. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.